Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olaf from WizTech. Today I'm going to talk about this Schnail Case Lineup for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. And I'm going to jump right in right after this. Now before I get started, I do want to send a shout out to the Schnail company for sponsoring this video. Also, if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe and the notification bell button so that way you can stay up to date with my channel content. So let's take a look at this one. This one is called the Survivor series. So again, this is for the S20 Ultra and it has been drop tested and is built with solid material as it stays here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this case. So go ahead and open this up and look at the colors on this one. It's pretty cool looking. All right, so what we have here, like a little thank you card, some information regarding the company, and what else do we have here? Let's see. Looks like, wow. So yeah, there's some information here I could read later. It's pretty cool. And here's the case itself. So this has a really nice build to it. And I like that iridescent color that it has, where it kind of picks up different colors and blends in. See if you can get a better look at it there. So yeah, really cool design on that. And it has that rugged feel to it, nice and thick feeling. And let's take a look at that lip. I'm sure it's pretty nice on that. Yep, so nice raising there. And on that side as well, as you can see. So let's take a look at the buttons right there. So you have your power/Bixby button, and then you have your volume rocker as well. All right, see the cutouts down here for the bottom, and then the top cutout. So yeah, the design of this one is really nice. Feels comfortable in the hand, and I'm really digging it. I'm really digging it. Let's take a look at the next one. Next we have this case, so let's take a look at this one. Does it have a color on the back, or it says black on black? All right, so let's go ahead and look at this one. Some more information regarding the company and a thank you card. All right. And here's the case itself. Nice rugged look to it. Oh, it has a kickstand too, so pretty cool. There you go. A kickstand should work either way. So that's a nice addition there. Let's take a look at those buttons. All right, so you have that there, and look at that thick raising for your lip. So you know your phone is going to be protected wearing this case. Okay, you see that side, nothing. Some branding right there. There's a Survivor. Let's see, we get a, there we go. Your top cutout, your camera cutout. And all around nice design. Simple design, should I say. All right, let's take a look at the next one. So the next one we have is a rainbow color. So let's take a look at this one. Okay. All right, open up for me. Here we go. Put this to the side. Put that to the side, and that as well. And here this one go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Again, it has that iridescent multicolored look to it. So that's really, really nice. Pretty unique. I like that. Let's take a look at those buttons. See that there? Nice glossy look to it. Your top cut out. See that lip? The bottom lip. Cut out for the camera. Little branding right there. So again, I like this design. The inside, so the outside is smooth and the inside has like this grainy feel to it. So it should hold your phone just fine. All right, so I do like this design. Again, it's different. It's pretty cool. Again, this is the rainbow color. And last we have pink marble. All right, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, slide that out there. Put that to the side. Put this to the side, of course. And your thank you card. If I can get it out. All right, here we go. So, a little cool design for this one as well. All right, so you have your camera cut out. Has that rose gold trim around it. Pretty cool. Let's take a look at the lip. You got your buttons there. And then your bottom lip. And your bottom cutouts. And then your top cutout. All right, so pretty cool design on this one as well. Now we'll be doing a contest giveaway for these cases, and I'll have a link posted in the description section of this video. So make sure you hit that link and find out how you can enter for your chance to win one of these cases. Also, these cases are available on Amazon, and I will have a link in the description section as well. So make sure you hit that link and use it, as it does help me out. Again, this was my quick review of the Schnail Case Lineup for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also share and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it mobile.